both said some awful words, and I know that we both got hurt. But I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. We can't let this slip away, you know that I want you to stay. Cause I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Don't run away, we can't let this go to waste. I don't want nobody else. Don't let this go to waste.
Oh, I did it first try. What's kicking, Shark Mates, Vinyl Vixen, and Slim Shetty?
What's up, guys?
Kicking it at Wrapsesh. This week we are doing a car reveal featuring a full vehicle wrap in GSWF colored PPF. I feel like I always have to explain this.
Paint protection film,
AKA,
not clear bra.
It's colored clear
Some
bra.
of it's clear.
It's colored clear bra.
Some of it's clear.
Show them the colors. So just a little refresher if you forgot. GSWF, they make colored clear bra films. And it's really cool. It's a lot more durable than vinyl. It has a hydrophobic top coat, and you usually are gonna get 7 to 10 years out of this film versus vinyl wraps, which is like a 3 to 5 year product. So we've been using this stuff a lot lately. They've got some really awesome colors.
It's very interesting to install. It's like even if you are a clear bra person, it's a little different. Yeah,
it's like
a hybrid film.
Yeah, it's like vinyl and PPF.
Because
you do it a little wet and then a little dry.
Yeah, because you install it wet first, and then I always wait, and I'll go install another panel, and I'll wait for that panel to completely dry, and then I'll tuck and push everything around corners and then trim. But still, like, it's pretty gummy, so like, especially here, it's hot here, so it's
hot.
Really hard to cut this film. But when it's just one of those things where you have to have a really sharp knife and take some extra precautions for.
Yes. Anyways, if you guys want more information, tips, and tricks on how to install GSWF, we have several episodes on this. Just go back a few months. But yeah, so we wrapped an Audi RS7. This was from one of our friends over at Level 1 Arcade Bar. Shout out to you guys over in Gilbert, Arizona. So to break it down, we did the full color PPF job. We did a D-chrome and satin black. We powder coated the wheels to we powder coated the calipers to a red, gloss red. And then we also powder coated the wheels.
Yes.
That's confusing.
We did a lot to this car. It was a nice little project.
I think we did window tint.
Window tint, wheels, brakes, and the wrap, and D-chrome.
We also ceramic coated it.
And a ceramic coat.
And we ceramic coated all of his white interiors, his white leather. So we did lots of things.
Lots of things.
Really fun project. Check it out. We hope you enjoy. thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. Shout out to GSWF for the awesome colored clear bra film. Things and stuff. If you guys want to go above and beyond with vehicle customization and restyling, make sure to reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with our daily shenanigans, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And last but not least, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. See you guys next week. Oh.
Get out, wanna feel you close to me, wanna feel you close to me.